personally excited about being in South Africa this year. South Africa has the most advanced form of philanthropy on the continent, so there is so much we can learn from the delegates in the room.
The only way that you can make philanthropy life-changing is to understand and first discover who you are, discover your life, and understand that you make a difference.
Not long ago that we were gathered in a room similar to this one, and we decided we were coming to Johannesburg, and here we are, over 200 delegates from more than 20 countries.
When the rain falls, it chooses not the grass on which it falls. And sometimes it's by standing tall.
To be truly prepared for something, one must actually expect it. One cannot be prepared for something while secretly believing that it will not or will never happen.
What will it take for Africa to rise to its rightful place globally? It is my belief that none of the challenges faced by the continent are insurmountable.
We are all jointly responsible for the development of the societies in which we exist. And until we all appreciate that, we cannot hold just the public sector responsible, and we will not make progress.
I play rugby so I can help others. I believe I'm put here in this place to give back to other people and help other people. And nothing is sweeter than you making it and helping a couple of people with you.